Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with Betterment, start by visiting their official website. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click it. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. After filling in the required information, click on the Continue button. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Betterment uses this information to verify your identity. Once you've entered this information, click Continue again. You will then be asked to provide details about your financial situation. This may include your employment status, income, and investment goals. Follow the prompts to complete this section accurately. After entering your financial information, click Continue. Now, you'll need to set your investment preferences. Betterment will guide you through asset allocation options. Choose the option that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Once you have selected your preferences, click Continue. The next step involves linking your bank account. You will need to provide your bank account information for fund transfers. Betterment uses secure encryption for this process. After entering your bank details, confirm the information and click Continue. Check your bank account for small verification deposits made by Betterment. Once confirmed, return to Betterment and enter the amounts to verify. Next, you can review your overall investment plan. Make sure all your information is accurate to ensure the best experience. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking on the Start Investing button. Betterment will finalize your account setup shortly. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to your dashboard. Here, you can track your investments and account performance. To further enhance your experience, explore additional resources on their platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.